Please do not hesitate to say hello to my beloved future wife. If you see my picture and vow to quickly answer your message with you by my side, I know I will be able to make countless more wonderful memories, and I treasure every moment we spend together. My love for you is limitless, and I am eagerly awaiting the day when we can finally be together. You are my first love that will go on forever. You are the love of my life. My love, you are the most special person in my life. I want our relationship to be perfect, and I will do everything in my power to keep this beautiful love in my life. Our relationship was so unaccepted, and I am aware that we have only been dating for a short time, but you have made me so happy. I want to make our relationship perfect. I maintain that you should be my last. I simply believe you should realize that I truly value the time you take out to converse with me, and I truly miss you, my affection. I genuinely want to believe that you can apply. I love you, my child. Your adoration resembles a wonderful song that I plays in my heart, giving me harmony and pleasure. I am so appreciate of each and every moment we spend together. You make me all each time we kiss. It resembles the angel time once more. You make my heart race and my spirit sing. You are the love of my life, much obliged to you for being an astonishing pioneer. You lead with Lovelands and are a genuine motivation. I still working under your course, and I have seen my authority athletes develop thanks to your direction and responsibility. You are addicted, definitive, and strong, and I was unable to envision another person driving this devotion. Your excellence, I marvel to observe consistently. Your eyes similar to star, the light, the sky, your grain, a beam of delegate that you want ever kick the bucket. Your elegance similar to a swan that falls effortlessly. Your affection a gift that pushes me to the brink of Galpos. You are a magma of a sight to see, my dear young lady, perpetually gorgeous to me. I can hardly hold on to see my delightful lady darling. Send hey to me when you see this, since I have a town for you. Honey, send me a message right now to confirm that our marriage certificate has been issued. I love you so much, my beautiful angel. Without you in my life would be a lonely one. Days would go on forever with no end in sight. I would have no one to hold, someone to love, or a mate in a world so dark. There was no light, but with you, my dear, My heart takes flight. Loneliness, world be gone joy. World be their days. World be filled with you, my love. Are the daily sunshine and a beacon of hope that dispels the shadow